Hello and welcome back to the channel and to our second full day here at Constable Burton Hall caravan site, which is about 4 miles from Laban. It's not really the best morning this morning. It's a bit, as you can see, we have got a bit of brightness but nothing major. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go back and revisit Richmond. Unfortunately, at the beginning of this tour, this 12-day or 12-night tour, I was feeling under weather when we went to Richmond. So we're going to go back and explore Richmond and hopefully spend most of the day there. So if you want to come along and join us in Richmond, please carry on and watch this video. And I'll probably go into the castle as well. So we'll see you when we get to Richmond. Welcome to Richmond. Which way we'll go around that way or? There'll be plenty of shops anyway, isn't there? Guns and fishing tackle. Yeah, it's a lovely little market town, isn't it? Yeah. I'm glad they come back. Well, like I say, rude not to, you're only 16 minutes away, weren't we? So, we're alright. Definitely got a nice cobble square anyway. Yes, it looks like it could chuck it down here, doesn't it? Yeah, we'll have a walk down there. I don't know where she's taking me to. So there you are. A narrow lane gave access to the Bailey or marketplace to the Franciscan Friary. An impressive building, isn't it? Fleece Hotel. Impressive building. Oh, he's got some noisy working next to it though, cherry picker. So if we went to the other side of that thing, we'd struggle to get past, wouldn't we? Now, yes. Yes, it's a nice little place, Richmond, isn't it? Some lovely little shops in Richmond. Francine address behind me. So she's in that shop. Hopefully, she'll probably come out with a dress. Just a couple of little market stalls, fruit and veg, flower shop. Centre at Market Square, I guess. That's some new stonework anyway. It's certainly a good marketplace, with plenty of shops around it anyway. So she's dragging me now for an ice cream. Fortunately, the dress was sold. She saw earlier. Oh dear me. It's too much choice.
Plain one dipped. I'm only having one scoop. Decorated one.
That to be done. So Lusso.
Consoling myself.
Right, so that was a very nice ice cream, wasn't it? We better go before we end up spending some more money in eating. We've got to pack up, you know, we're going home tomorrow. So that goes down to Richmond Castle, wouldn't it? People won't walk that far anyways. A bit too far to walk. Yeah. Like I say, you've got this zone down there. But if you just move around. Yeah. That's near at the bottom, that, isn't it? Yeah. Yes, it's certainly steep hills round here. Old wrought iron lamp and an old water point. So wrought iron lamp, 1800, originally illuminated by oil lamp in 1821. The Richmond Gasworks started from 1830. The company was paid £75 a year by the corporation to light the main streets with gas. And the water point, 1782. Steep enough, isn't it, that? Steeper than Steep Hill in Lincoln, I would say. So we'll go and have a river walk. Well, that tower is up there then.
I don't know, let's have a look, see if it's on that.
Seen it from Castle.
Yeah, I saw it when I was looking.
Oh, when red flags flying. Rapid rise in River Swale is imminent. There's no red flag. We're alright, I think. So we're below the castle now.
Yeah. And what is it, the River Walk?
Swale.
Swale.
What she said there anyway. So you could be paddling through water in here on high waters. Looks so peaceful and tranquil, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Trickling away down there. Then it turns into a torrent and destroys the area. Yeah, just a little trickle down middle there. Well, we've got another 2 hours parking anyway, haven't we? Yeah, it's been a good clamber up to walls at Tower,
Well,
hasn't it?
they're always on a vantage point.
Yeah. So of course everything started in 1066, didn't it? It's one of these days where you don't know what's put on, do you?
I know.
Looks like it could chuck it down 1 minute and then
It's not cold,
no.
is it?
I think that's where Scottish Hall is. I might be wrong. The Scottish Hall is, so there were like 2 floors to it, but I don't know. Looks like it where floor beams went in, doesn't it? Well, there's some depth in that. I bet some kids playing that in on a warm day. There's certainly some slabs of rock there, aren't there?
There is some good slabs.
Yes. Say it's where we started the journey. We ended up being 16 minutes away from it. We're rude not to come back. Yeah. Like you say, the day we visited, we were under weather anyway, weren't we?
Well, the thing is, it's more open as well. It was Sunday, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was, yeah. Got plenty of parking though, hasn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, now I know how this systems work. You just pick them up from a shop. The Richmond waterfall. Yeah, but it's impressive when it's in full flow, like you say. Off into the distance. Good place for picnic, though, if it's playing well. River. Yes, I bet it gets flooded in a few places down here. Especially this area here. There's certainly some rocks come down here, aren't there? Old millstone there. Take it this must have been some kind of mill area then. One or two dotted around, isn't there? Yeah, it's open space you never realised were here. So this stretch of grass is known as the Bats. Many place names around here. It is of a Scandinavian origin, meaning an area of floods, although now highly valued as a recreational area and once a hub of an industrial activity. So that's the Bats. And an old bridge in the distance. Got old road bridge. Distance. So we'll see what's at the old station, shall we? Yeah, it is a big river. Castle up on the hill. Yes, it's a smooth flowing river, isn't it? So Richmond Station was the railway line from Darlington. It opened in 1846. When the station opened the following year, it was hailed a masterpiece of railway architecture. It's an impressive building, I must admit. So that's the railway station. Of course it's no longer a railway station, but they still call it the station. Got a swimming pool over there. Richmond swimming pool. So it's been turned into a cinema and that.
Yeah, it's just like
Yeah. So there's a list of what's on in cinema. Minions. Railway Children. Nicely done, isn't it? It's all cinemas, small cinemas, yeah. Yeah. Old cinema projector over there. You to ask quite well, haven't you, for these little independent bakeries and things like that. Artisan places, aren't they? What, those quiches? Yeah, they do. Little bakehouse. It does. I guess your taste buds go in, don't it? Smelling that. That's a good thing to do with an old railway station, that. Yeah. So it is, it's 1.25 miles to Easby on the cycle track. Now, so you just follow the old railway track. Yeah? So you could do that. Next time if we come back. Wonder if that's the old station master's house then. Yeah. Good view over Richmond Castle. So this is Station Bridge to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the Royal Corps of Signals in Catterick. Last view of Richmond Castle. Did he tell you? It's either an old school or something, isn't it? Yeah? Well, it's got Irish fencing. Something, like I said, I don't know. With big buildings and that. It's not a church or anything, it's like a hall or something, isn't it? Did he tell you down here? It's got broken windows and that's a shame, isn't it? I bet some urban explorers have been in there. What a shame that's going to rack and ruin. It's an absolutely gorgeous building. Even if it got turned into apartments or something.
With some seagulls and all.
Well, yeah, there's always seagulls. Yeah, because you got the brown heads.
Yeah.
So there we are, the waterfall. It's lovely riverside water, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sun shining on it now, everywhere this morning. Right, so that's a little walk round Richmond. And we've had a nice time here today, so I've been to the castle. Karen's been looking around shops. And we've explored some places. So I'm glad we'd return back here. See, we're only 16 miles away. And, or 16 minutes away, not miles away.
Gorgeous.
So we've really enjoyed it. If you've liked what you've seen, don't forget, give me that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And click that little notification bell. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye.